how to fix your account is frozen problem on Telegram. So if you want to fix your account is frozen problem on your Telegram, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply go with your browser, search for Telegram support. After that, you'll get this kind of interface. You just need simply go to the first section, which is telegram.org, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now here you need to describe your problem. So you need to write that, hello Telegram support, my Telegram account is this and this. You need to enter your number, and it has been frozen. I believe this was due to misunderstanding, or you need to just briefly explain the reason if you know. For example, accidental spam reports. And I assure you, I will follow Telegram rules and avoid any violation in the future, and kindly review and restore my account. Once you enter that, you need to enter your legal full name and then your email and your phone number and submit. After submitting, your problem might be fixed within a few hours or a few days. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.